Hello everyone, this is Avijit here and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crafting with Avijit. In the previous video I was made this paper basket and this video link in the description below. And today in this video I will show you to make a mini message box like that. So let's get started. At first I am taking a 8 cm square size craft paper and mark the measurement. Now cut these lines. And fold the other lines. Now attach the corner squares with the sides. Next, make a same box with a 7 cm square craft paper. Now take two pieces of 4.5 cm square craft paper. On the first piece, write your message with a black pen. On the other one piece, I am drawing something like that. Now attach the message into the box with double side tape and the other one on the box. Now our mini message box is ready. If you like this video, press the thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram.